Hello everybody, welcome back to my mom's channel. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my mom's channel. This phone is Oppo Reno 5 Pro. This phone is a fully 5G phone. Now let's talk about the camera. The rear camera is 64 MP and the front camera is 32 MP. Now let's talk about the model. The model is CPH2201. Now let's talk about the RAM and storage. The RAM is 8 GB and the ROM is 128 GB and the total internal storage is 128 GB. So now this phone has two colors. One is cherry black and blue. Now let's talk about the screen size. The screen size is 16.64 centimeter. Now let's talk about the phone's battery. The phone's battery is about 4350 mAh. Now let's talk about what is in this box. In this box contains handset and chargers and earphones and also USB data cable for charging your mobile and a SIM ejector tool and a quick guide and a safety guide and also a protective case to protect your mobile. Now let's talk about the weight. The weight is 173 grams. Now let's talk about the price. The price is 36,000 but the max retail price is 38,990 rupees. Now we have got all information about the phone. Now let's open the box. Ooh. Oh. What's this? Oh my gosh. Here is our Oppo phone. But let's first check what's inside the
Don't forget to subscribe my mom's channel.
Oh, look everybody. It's the protective case. Wow. Now let's open the phone. You can see. Oh, let me take it out. Now you see it. I'll show the back side. Now we have opened this. Let's open. Oh, yeah, this is the safety guide and the quick guide. And this is the ejector for the pin to get out. The SIM tray to get out. Ooh, oh my gosh. Look at the plug. It is super big. Wow. And this is the charger. This is the earphone. And I also forgot to tell you, this is a really fast charger. It uses 18 watts. So now let's put this protective case on the mobile. Now let's on this phone. Oh my gosh. Oppo powered by Android. Let it on. Oh wow. Good animation. Oh wow. So guys, this is Oppo Reno 5 Pro. How was it? Please tell me in the comment box, how is this mobile? It's very lightweight. So guys, you are seeing that this is Oppo Reno 5 mobile, actually data transferred from the old mobile. Now first I'll show you some settings. This is how to connect Wi-Fi. You just click it and enter the password, and this is where you can on Bluetooth. I'll off Bluetooth, and display and brightness, eye comfort, auto screen, everything is here. Right. And here is battery. First, actually when you buy this phone, you don't get the percentage, you just get this bar of energy. You just see that, but you actually do not see the percentage. But you can actually on this percentage, just go in the settings, go scroll down, and you will see battery. Now where is it? More battery settings. Now this is what the setting I did it. Show battery percentage on status bar. Now if I off this, you see there is no any number here. But now when I on it, automatically the percentage shows it. And here's the storage. I already told you this is 128 GB totally, and this is the images. Again continue. Everything just set up all like in a album. Images, videos and audio, documents, APKs, apps, other and system. And guys, I'll tell you about the phone. You already know the name of the device, and it's Color OS version 11.1, Android version 11. 8 GB RAM, I already told you, and all that. Model, I already told you. And if you want any update, just go to this software update, and you can see all the updates. This is the latest version. You can get anytime, you can get a new version actually. And right now what's at this top? Oh wow, that's awesome. There's a shortcut for Wi-Fi, mobile data, silent mode, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi effect. I don't know what's that, but
Don't forget to subscribe my mom's
what
channel.
is that? To protect your eyes. See, I off eye comfort, and the color just changed. This, but you should keep it on because it protects our eyes. And there is even personal hotspot, vibration, screen recording, do not disturb, Oppo share, nearby share, screencast, black screen and mode. And this is how you turn on the brightness. You should always put it on auto mode. And here there are all the notifications. And here if you scroll this up, at the top you see the time, and this month 2.45 GB. And actually it has a shortcut to get to the settings. You can just do this. You see this shaped thing? After this text you will see this kind of shape of it. You just click it, and now you go to the settings. So guys, that's all it for this video, and I hope you like this phone. And before ending this video, I am already I am already telling you, please subscribe my mom's channel and share this video to your friends and comment and like, and bye bye.